Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are awesome. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you how to describe a picture. This topic of picture description, we often do it in our classrooms. You get it in your exams too. And many a times you are confused what to write, how to write, and you are clueless. So to solve all your doubts, I am here today to discuss with you all how to do picture description step by step. So let's go to the first step. The first and foremost step is you have to look at the picture very carefully. Once you have looked carefully, you have to see what is this picture about. Is this a scene from a particular place? For example, the picture might be about a zoo. So you may have to write, this picture is of a zoo. The scene is of a zoo. Or it might be of a market. So this picture is of a market. The picture describes the scene of a market. Like this, you have to introduce the picture. Moving on to step 2. You have to focus on the details of the picture. Like you have to note the weather. Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is it sunny? Then what kind of setup is there? What kind of houses are there? Huts are there or concrete big buildings are there? Right? How many people are there in the picture and what are they doing exactly? If it is a picture of a park, you might notice there are many children playing in the picture. If it is a picture of a hospital, you might observe there is a patient, there is a nurse, there are doctors. So like this, you have to focus on the details. What kind of people are present in the picture? Now next step is you have to focus on their actions. What are they doing? The children are playing in the picture. The girl is swinging on the swing. The nurse is taking the patient outside. The doctor is checking the patient. So like this, you have to observe the actions being done by the people in the picture. After that, you have to see the mood of the people. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they enjoying? Or whatever they are doing. So let's now quickly do one picture description.
Now observe the given picture. What do you think the picture is about? Is it a bus stand or a railway station? After that, focus on the weather. Can you guess what kind of weather is it? After that, focus on the people who are present in the picture. What are they busy in? One by one, focus on the people and then try to find out what are they doing. Somebody is busy on phone, somebody is holding a baby, somebody is standing. And what are the people in the bus doing? So when you focus on these aspects, you'll be able to easily write sentences about this picture. So all the best. I'm waiting for your sentences in the comments below. Enjoy.